Welcome to Sri Harshini Engineers Academy, ESET 2021 Civil Engineering Reinforced Concrete Structures. In this video, we are going to continue the most important questions lecture series of reinforced concrete structures, which are useful for your ESET examination. Before starting this session, I request you all, if anybody till now didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and like my videos and share with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Don't forget to tap on the bell icon for more updates. Have a look into the first question here. The acceptable limit for the safety and serviceability requirement before failure occurs is called. See the first question. The acceptable limit for the safety and serviceability requirement before failure occurs is called working stress method, ultimate stress method, limit state method, none of the above. So option number C is the right answer. That is limit state method is the right answer. Coming to next question here. Maximum strain in concrete at the outermost compression fiber. Maximum strain in concrete at the outermost compression fiber is taken as dash in bending. Options 0.002, 0.0035, 0.87, 0.05. Look at the answer here. 0.0035 is the right answer. Coming to next question. Basic value of L by D ratio, that means span by D ratio means L by D ratio for limit of deflection for simply supported slab having span up to 10 meters shall be. L by D ratio is 7, 26, 20, 40. See the answer 20 is the right answer. L by D for simply supported slab having span 10 meters. L by D ratio value, that means basic value is 20. Okay. Remember this type of important IS code provisions. Next, coming to fourth question. Maximum distance between main steel in slab is limited to. Maximum distance between main steel in slab limited to 3D 300 mm, 3D 450 mm, 5D 300 mm, 5D 450 mm. See the answer 3D 350 mm is the right answer. Coming to next question. The maximum distance between distribution steel in slab. Distribution steel in slab is limited to. See the answer 5D and 450 mm. Option number D is the right answer. Coming to sixth question. Characteristic strength means that value of strength of the material below which not more than 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%. Answer is C. That means 5%. See the next question. Partial safety factor for concrete. Options 1, 1.15, 1.5, 2. See the answer here. Partial safety factor for concrete is 1.5 is the right answer. Coming to eighth question. Partial safety factor for steel, that is 1.15. Coming to next question. Proportion of M20 grade concrete 1:2:4, 1:1.5:3, 1:1:2, 1:1:3:6. So option number B is the right answer for M20 grade concrete proportion mix 1:1.5:3. 10th question. Minimum grade of concrete for RCC works. So M10, M15, M20, M25. That is minimum grade of RCC work is M20 is the right answer. Coming to 11th question. As for IS 456-2000, concrete having characteristic strength between M25 to M55 is known as ordinary concrete, standard concrete, high strength concrete, none of the above. That is standard concrete. Above M55 to M80 is high strength concrete. M5 to M20 is called ordinary concrete. Okay. M5 to M20 ordinary concrete, M25 to M55 standard concrete, M55 to M80 is the high strength concrete. Remember these points. Next question, full form of TMT bar. So our steel bars are all TMT bars. What is mean by TMC? Means thermomechanically treated bars. Thermomechanically treated bars. Coming to next question, TMT bars have high tensile strength, high ductility, toughness. Three properties have TMT bars: tensile strength, ductility, toughness. Next, the generally used in RCC work is stainless steel, mild steel, high carbon steel, high tension steel. Generally, we used mild steel itself for RCC works. Okay. Coming to 15th question, in grade of M20 grade, M refers. In grade of M20 grade, here M refers to the mixed proportion and 20 refers to the compressive strength of concrete. Okay. Remember this. It is denoted with FCK also. Newton units వచ్చేసి Newton per mm square. Compressive strength of concrete. So option number B is the right answer. As for IS 456, tensile strength of concrete can be expressed as tensile strength of concrete is 0.7 root FCK. Here FCK value is depend on the grade of concrete. FCK value depend on the grade of concrete. Okay. Coming to next question. As for IS 456, modulus of velocity of concrete can be expressed as 5000 root FCK. Option number A is the right answer. Flexural strength of M25 grade concrete as for IS 456. M25 grade concrete flexural strength. So as for IS 456 2000, flexural strength. IS 456 2000. Flexural strength formula is flexural strength is equal to 0.7 root FCK. Here they given M25 grade concrete, right? That means what is the FCK value here? 25. So 0.7 into root 25. So it becomes 0.7 into 5. So it equal to 3.5 MPa. So option number B is the right answer. Coming to next question. Modulus of velocity of M25 grade concrete as for IS 456. So modulus of velocity of concrete, what is the formula? Just now we seen previous questions. That is 5000 root FCK. Just substitute the value of FCK here and you will get the answer. That is 25. So it becomes 5000 into 5. That equal to 25,000 MPa. So option number C is the right answer. Coming to next question here. The design strength of concrete is taken as 0.87 F5, 0.446 FCK, 0.67 FCK, F5. Option number B is the right answer. These are the some important and best questions we selected and explained in this video, which are very much useful for your research preparation. ఈ వీడియోలో ఉన్న కంటెంట్ కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మా వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఎవరికైనా ఉపయోగపడతాయి వాళ్ళకి కూడా షేర్ చేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడంతో పాటు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోవడం ద్వారా మేము చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్గా వస్తాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.